Hey there guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to show you how service businesses can use Brevo to manage clients, streamline communication, and even deliver a better customer experience from start to finish. So if you run a salon, a cleaning service, a repair business, a consulting service, or anything similar, Brevo gives you everything you need in one place. So let's break it down in a simple way. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months by using the link below. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course where I teach you how to master the platform step by step. Now, let's get started. The first thing Brevo helps service businesses with is client management. Inside the CRM area, you can store all of your contacts and organize them however you like. Now, most service businesses use tags to track their workflow. For example, you might have tags like new inquiry, confirmed appointment, active service, or follow up needed. This keeps all of your clients separated so that you always know who needs the attention and when. It also helps you personalize your communication based on where they are in your process. Next is email communication, which is a big part of service-based businesses. Inside the campaigns area, you can create emails for things like booking confirmations, reminders, updates, promotions, or also service announcements. Brevo includes a lot of ready-made templates so that you can simply pick a design, customize the text, and send it out to the right group of clients at precisely the right time. Now, if you send the same type of message often, like appointment reminders or follow-up notes, you can also save them as templates and reuse them whenever you need. Another important part of Brevo for service businesses is automation. Now, automations help you reduce manual work and make your communication more consistent. For example, you can set up a welcome sequence for new clients. As soon as someone joins your list or books a service, Brevo can send them a thank you message, introduction details, or instructions that really kind of help them prepare. You can also create follow-up sequences after a service is completed. Brevo can automatically send a review request, a satisfaction survey, or even a discount for their next appointment. This helps you build long-term relationships without really having to do everything manually, which will save you a lot of time. Many service businesses also use Brevo to send reminders. This is a great way to reduce no-shows, save you some time as well. You can create a simple workflow that sends a friendly reminder before the appointment and another one shortly before the scheduled time. When you set this up once, Brevo takes care of it every single time. Now, to recap, Brevo gives service businesses three powerful tools: CRMs or customer relationship management tools to stay organized, campaigns to clearly communicate, and automations to create a smooth experience for every client. When you use all three together, your workflow becomes easier, faster, and a lot more professional. And if you want to start using Brevo, make sure that you use that link down below and it will give you 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months, and it will unlock my full Brevo course. All right, that's all. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe. And as always, we will see you in the next video.